happens.
I'm only responsible for the Tulsa inspection.
What? What?
See, Christian's flipping them that way. Watch.
Oh. People.
You can tell which one's mine, though.
Or he's going to kick it forward. Good scoop. Oh, I don't think so.
My steer likes to lick it. So he like takes it out. He's like, the goal's there, and he takes it here and he's
How is that red?
like a baby wipe.
By the time we went out, the goalie was close to winning.
Oh.
So Columbia.
Because it went out pretty fast.
There's actually a
It
girl
happens
in my
in the
biology
shoe
class
that
in
did it fine.
I was sitting in class one day, and she goes, "We're wearing the same coat." Well, she had it too, but it's the exact same.
There you go, Rabidoo.
Braylon.
Braylon. Braylon with a sloppy. Oh, there you go, Braylon. I was gonna say sloppy GB, but he made up for it with the
scoop.
With the
scoop
poke.
displacement.
The poke.
Yeah. The heating blanket, the emergency blanket.
What did he say? Somebody lost a mouth guard?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Baker kid.
Baker.
He throws them on the field prior to the game, so when he gets busted, he can just go, oh, that's mine.
Yeah. Actually, that was a good move. He knew he was in a bind, lose the mouth guard on purpose.
Just like the boxers?
Yeah.
Just spit it.
The hatch is on.
I know.
Look at, they just, the wind blew.
Where are you going, Meg? Eli.
Right by you.
Cross-handed scoop.
Are they going that way?
I can't find them now. Oh, they went back.
Oliver, get out of the film.
When I try to fake throw it and like.
You're a new YouTube sensation, Oliver.
Yes, he is.
When I try to like fake throw it like.
Like Porter?
Drop it like. Drop it like.
There you go, Joe.
Drop it like it's hot.
Joe.
This kid's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's faster than Christian. That's.
You're getting a flag for the helmet.
He's got to get a picture.
Flag down, there you go.
Nice save!
They play together in the summer?
Yeah, 76 is on Braylon's team.
Yeah.
Now that you ask me. Ethan Coleman. Yeah, 2021.
Hey, don't you know what year your son graduates? My son's on the 2020. Right. He's in 8th grade. Braylon's in
He's on Braylon's team. He just switched from, no? He was on Braylon's team last year, too.
How am I supposed to know this?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to know this?
Yeah.
I don't know these things. They all look the same in the Yep. There you go.
Nice, Kyle.
He still got it. Shoot! Shoot! Nice!
There's a double screen to shoot through. That's great. You got
That's why you
some
listen to your father.
It's on. What, do you want to argue with me or something?